In this video, I will show you how to add modifiers in LithosPOS. Let's begin. Navigate to Items on the side menu, then select Modifier. Then click on the Add Modifier button. Name the modifier. Then toggle on this button if you want to limit the maximum number of modifiers that can be applied to an item, then enter the maximum limit. Now let's add the modifiers. You can either select an item from your inventory or enter a new item manually. However, if you manually enter a modifier, it won't affect the inventory. Yet, you can still track costs and profits if you enter the cost and price. Choose the first item from the inventory, then enter the retail price. If you want to limit the maximum number of modifiers that can be added, enter the maximum number. If you enable the default button, this modifier will be added by default in the POS. I'm adding a second modifier from the inventory. Select Modifier, enter Price. Set a maximum number. Let us add the third modifier manually. Enter the item name followed by cost and retail price. Finally, submit the modifiers. Now, let us see how to assign modifiers to an item. Navigate to Items. Then select the item you want to assign the modifiers. Click to open it, go to Modifiers, then select the modifiers, and save. Thanks for watching.